Hey guys, this is Kestup and today I will show you how to add a login page to your AI desktop assistant or any of the project you are making with Python. So in the last video I showed you how to make this desktop assistant. You can just check it out. I'll put the link in the description to go to that video. And if I write notepad over here, notepad will
Launching
run.
Notepad.
Yep, notepad will run. You can just check out what this stuff is, and today we are going to add a login page to it or add password to it. I don't want everyone to see this. Whenever I go here, write Python and run the software, I don't want everyone to run the software, so I'll add a password over here and I'll quickly show you how to do it. So here it is, guys. This is the code we have written, and I'll just select it all and press tab, so I will not get any indentation error in it. So I'll write username is equal to input, so we'll take the input from the user and enter your username. We'll add some space here and we'll import one module which is import getPass. So whenever the user is typing the password, no one can see it. Okay, it is a little bit different from input. The echo is off over here in getPass, so we'll write password and getPass dot getPass, and we'll write over here enter your password and we'll add some space and we'll write the password and username of the person, username 1, and username 1 can be Kestup and password 1 can be YouTube, right? So here it is, and we'll write one if and else statement. If password is equal to password 1, I'll just put this in bracket and I'll write and username is equal to, wait a second guys, sorry, username is equal to username 1, then this command will work. Okay, and if the password and username is wrong, so what we are going to do is else print wrong password, please try again later. So this will work, guys, and you can add many usernames and password, and you can just write elif commands, or you can add over here same type of command but different usernames. So you know the concept, right? And we'll just run it again and check if the program is working or not. So I guess I have not saved it, right? Or what is the problem? I'll just check it out. Quit. So here it is. I'll write my username, which is Kestup, and enter my password, and you guys cannot see it because I have not entered the input command in here. I have entered the getPass command in here. So getPass command does not allow echo, so I'll just write the password which is YouTube. And I have written something wrong over here. Yep. I'll just go to the, here it is, guys. So this will work, I guess. Yep. I'll write the username again and password again. So here it is, guys. This is working right now. I want to quit this, and if I write the wrong password, it will show me the password is incorrect, right? I can just show you once again here. Kestup and password anything ABCD. Wrong password, please try again later. And if I write the username wrong and password correct or anything wrong in here, it will show me this command, which is this statement, which is wrong password, please try again later. I can show you once again. If I write something else, ABCD, and write the right password, then it will not work, because I have put this and statement over here, which is for I want this and this to be correct. Okay, then only the program will open, else it will print wrong password, please try again later. So there will be more videos in upgrading or converting this program into a very nice program. So this was a basic tutorial for adding password for it. So this was it, guys. If you liked the video, just like, and if you are having any trouble or having any issue creating this program, just write in the comment section. I'll help you out. And yeah, this was it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.